Hello children, happy day to all. In today's class, we are going to see what is fraction. Here is introduction to fraction through a small video. Here you can see a pizza delivered to Tommy's house. Okay, he's very eager to eat the pizza. Now the pizza has been delivered. Tommy is coming out to take the pizza. It's very yummy. Yes, he can even feel it. Yeah, he's ready. The time tring 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 tring. The telephone rings. He's getting irritated and moving near the telephone to speak. Meanwhile, the smell has come out, and 5 of his younger brothers have come here to take the pizza. You can see the 5 younger brothers when he's speaking. Okay, so since Tommy is speaking in the phone, the 5 brothers has come near the pizza to eat it. Everyone are very eager to eat it now, so everyone fights with each other and they are taking the pizza now. Now let us see introduction to fractions. Now after this, Tommy is thinking, let me order another pizza. This is a menu card of the pizza. He is ordering large pizza because it will be very large. So again he is calling. Now the pizza is again delivered to him. Now again Tommy is coming out of his house and taking the pizza. Now they are all ready to eat the pizza there. He's opening the pizza box and he's thinking, oh my god, I will divide the pizza into equal parts so that everyone can have the pizza. So totally 6 members are there. 5 younger brother and Tommy is there. So totally 6. So this pizza is a whole. Can you see it is not divided yet? So this pizza is a whole now. Now first Tommy is there. Then his 5 brothers. So totally how many are there? 5 plus 1, totally 6 are there. So divide the pizza into 6 equal parts. So now Tommy is dividing the pizza into equally 6 parts. He is taking one piece, okay, and keeping in the plate. So now 1 out of these 6 parts can be expressed as how much? 1 by 6. So 1 out of 6 parts. So this number is read as 1/6. Okay. So next what he is doing, he is taking another 2 pieces and keeping in another plate. So 2 out of 6 parts can be expressed as 2 by 6. So this number can be read as 2/6. So such type of numbers are called as fractions. Okay, so above a number and the line will be there, below one number will be there. Okay, so such type of numbers are called as fractions. Now again coming to the pizza there, we all know this pizza is a whole. Okay, next this one is a part of the whole. Okay, so fractions express a part of a whole. Okay, so part of a whole is nothing but it is called as fraction. Now each one is enjoying and eating the pizza. Can you see the first one eating the pizza there? Second one is also eating the pizza there. They are very happy looking at each other plates, and third one has also eaten, and Tommy already he has put the pizza in his mouth, and the fourth one and the fifth one. Now fifth one is sleeping and he is waking up. You can see this picture. Now that blue shirt is eating his piece and taking the orange piece now, and he is playing with the pizza piece. So he has thrown it up. Now this part of the pizza is one part out of 6. Right now totally there were 6 and this is one of the part of it. So we can write it as 1 by 6. Fractions can be written using 2 whole numbers. You can see above a number and below a number and a line in the center. You can see the line there. So fraction has to be written like this. Here the number above the line is called the numerator. Here the number above the line is 1. Right. Next, number below the line is called denominator. So the number below the line is 6 here. So 1 is numerator and 6 is the denominator here. So again coming to the whole pizza now. So this pizza is a whole, and when we divide the pizza, we get many parts out of it. So you know now what is whole and what is parts. So denominator tells us total number of parts. Yes, in a whole. So total number, how many is there here in the pizza? Here there are 6 parts. So here 6 is the denominator. So we are writing it below the line. And when coming to the numerator now, yeah, you can see two of his Tommy's brothers are running and coming, and each one is trying to take 2 pieces out of it, and another one is chasing them. So now 2 parts has come out of the pizza. Yes. So this will be the numerator. Numerator tells us how many parts are taken from the whole. Okay, so out of that 2 has been taken out. So here 2 is the numerator. So we are writing it above the line. Okay, so this is the way to write the fraction of a number. Next, again we know this pizza is a whole. Yes, and 6 parts have gone out. If there is nothing there, how can we write? Note that denominator cannot be 0 because we cannot make 0 parts of a whole. Because if there is something, we can divide it equally. When there is nothing, how we can divide? So the denominator must not be 0. Now the pizza part which he has thrown out before, see the last boy, he has got it and he has eaten it. Hello friends, in last video we have seen what is fractions. In this video, come on, let us learn how to write and read the fractions. Now here is the first example given as 1 by 2. So this is the way to write the fraction. And coming to this example, always a number above the line is called as the numerator. Here the number 1 is the numerator. Same way, the number below the line is called as denominator. And in this example, the number 2 is the denominator. So, moving on to next. Here, 1 by 2. Always a number above the line, we can treat it as the normal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And the number below, if it is 2, we will read it as half. So, since the number 1 is at the top, we read it as 1 half. So, 1 by 2 is called as 1 half. Suppose, if the number at the above is 2, we read it as 2 halves. Okay, now we read it as 2 halves. If the denominator is 3, we have to read it as 1/3. Remember, always the number at the top will be the same. Down alone, we have to read it as ordinals. Now the number is 1/3. Now it is 2/3. Next, the number will be, when the denominator changes to 4, we read it as fourths. Okay, now it is 2/4. 3/4. Yeah, got it? How to read? This is the way to read. If the denominator is 5, 6, it is 3/6. Now it is 3/7, 3/8, 3/9, 3/10, 3/11. So whatever number is in the denominator, we have to add THS with it. So now it is 3/11. If it is 12, it is 3/12. Now let us again have a small recap. It is 7/21. Just add THS with the denominator. 20 32s. So this is the way. At last we can have a small recap about the fractions. Just learn it fast for me. It is 1 half. Next, 4/5. And the last one is 8/12. Let me catch you with a next video. Thank you.